Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to make ladyfinger biscuit and sponge. We need egg white 300 gram, sugar 200 gram, egg yolk 200 gram, sugar 100 gram, flour 150 gram, corn flour 150 gram. Using a large whisk or hand mixer, whip the egg yolks with 100 gram of the sugar until pale and fluffy. Whip the egg whites on medium-high speed until fluffy. Once light and fluffy, add the other 200 gram of the sugar in a slow and steady stream while whipping flour and the corn flour together and sieve. Continue to whip until the whites hold stiff peaks. Using a large metal spoon, gently fold in the whipped whites into the yolks, taking care not to deflate all of the air you have incorporated. Once the egg white mixture and yolk mixture are almost combined, sift the flour and corn flour over the batter. Continue to gently fold until all of the flour is incorporated. Preheat the oven to 190 Celsius, then line tray with parchment paper. Set aside. Put the mixture into tray and spread until edges. Fill a large piping bag with the batter and pipe the batter in 3 1/2 inch long lines about 1 inch apart. Dusting icing sugar. Bake for 14 to 15 minutes, or until just beginning to turn golden around the edges. Allow to cool fully before storing in an airtight container. The ladyfinger will keep 3 days in an airtight container. They can also be frozen for up to 8 weeks. Thank you.